Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey here, and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial and shine and show you all the fun new things. So many fun new things coming your way. So, all right, let's go ahead. I know the hair looks funky. I went ahead and pulled it back. And let's jump in. So I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know I love vitamin C serum, vitamin C brightening eye cream, my depuffing eye serum, all the fun things. Already done it. But this is so cool. This is the new Aqua Bomb Belif and VDL primer mix. So it's got your Belif Aqua Bomb day cream, which you know I love to use. And it has, I don't know if you can see it, and it has the VDL primer mixed in. So it's a little bit of a glow mixed in with the moisturizer. So maybe you're like, Jen, I don't even put makeup on. You don't understand. I have kids and I have a crazy life and I don't have time. This is what you need to give your skin just a little bit of moisture and a little bit of glow and help balance out that pH level. Cover those eyes. And it primes and protects your face. So it's everything in one. Yay! I love to simplify. So when you tell me you could get a moisturizer and a primer in one, sign me up. So that is new today. I'm excited to share that. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to go in with, like I said, a light makeup application because I want to give this balm a way to really just kind of show up on our face. So if you missed it, that is the Belif Aqua Bomb moisturizer and VDL primer mix. Bam. So simplifying those morning steps. Okay, we're gonna do some Magix tint this morning, and you guys can, you can put this on like a lotion, or you can put it on like a foundation. It's really up to you. But before we do that, let's hop in with some Magix wand in shade Marshmallow and do a little damage control. Woo! Hello. Hello, bags. Woo. I had a rough night. I don't know. You ever just have one of those nights when like your pillow is running away from you all night long? I felt like I was chasing my pillow all night long. It's crazy. Okay, so we did a little concealing. And we're going to let it warm up on our face just a little bit and go ahead and take that ring finger and just pat, pat, pat. Let's pat it in. Okay. Yay! So what are some ways that you can shine in your life today? You guys know that I've been talking about ways that we can show up. Okay, now we're going to go on with that Magix tint. Ways that we can show up and still be present even with all the chaos in the world. So Oprah Winfrey says, if you want to be successful, get up, get dressed, and show up. So if you find yourself in one of those holding patterns where you wear your pajamas till noon, you're not getting up, you're not doing anything, and then you're wondering at 8 o'clock, why did I not get anything done today? Well, it's probably because you didn't get up and get dressed and start taking care of business. So I know that you guys think it's crazy that I get up and do my makeup every day because I'm not leaving the house, but I feel better. There's just something that putting yourself together, you don't have to go like with a full glam look. There's just something about getting up and putting yourself together that makes you feel more alive. Like I can accomplish whatever tasks are before me today. Cleaning the lawn, doing the laundry, washing the dishes, vacuuming the floor. Just do it put together. Okay, we're brushing those brows out. Can you see that VDL glow coming through on that Magix tint? It's amazing. Amazing. I'm already shining. Okay, so we're using a Tattoo Station in brown on these brows. Yes, yes, yes. The brows are the picture frame to your face. So if you don't line them out, would you ever put a picture on the wall without a picture frame? My granny would. My Granny Terry, bless her heart. She did not ever buy picture frames. If you gave her a picture, boy, it got a thumbtack right through the top and it went right up on the wall. And she was proud of her picture. She was proud of her grandbabies. But they didn't get frames. So we don't want a face without a frame. So we're going to line those brows out. There we go. All right, let's go in with some Magix dust and dust a little fairy dust magic on this face so we can keep shining. And then I'm going to show you something else new. So much fun stuff. Okay, so I'm just taking that with my powder brush and I don't know why. Oh, well, hello. It doesn't help that it's not open. That's why I can't get any powder out. We all have those kind of mornings, right? Please tell me I'm not alone. Okay. There we go. A little bit of magic dust. Everybody needs a little unicorn dust. My little niece was over one day and she was in my bathroom watching me. Let's do a quad and mocha latte. And she goes, Aunt Jennifer, can I have some of that unicorn Magix dust? And I was like, oh, is it unicorn magic dust? She said, yes, I see a little bit of a sparkle in it. And I was like, oh, yes. So I got her a little bit of a unicorn magic dust. And her mommy says that she puts it on her Barbies now. So the Barbies get unicorn Magix dust, whatever. Okay, we're going to go in with 2 and a touch of 3 and work that crease. So whatever makes their little hearts happy, right? Little Magix fairy dust. So you can pretend like you're dusting with unicorn dust. And you will be all glammed up. Okay? I think I need to pick this arch up just a little. You ever have one of those mornings when you feel like you're walking around lopsided, like half of you's done and half of you's not? It could be one of those days. Okay, I'm just taking 4 of this quad, kind of blending it in there with a crease. Done! I told you it was going to be a quick one this morning. SuperExtend liquid liner. You guys know I love a liquid liner. There we go. Little line on there. Oh, finally. Okay. So I showed you the new VDL Belif Balm Moisturizer and Primer in one. So we already knocked that one out. So now I need to show you something else. Ready? Can you see my teeth? They're white. Yay! I'm so excited about this. This has just came out. It's just launching today. The TheraWhite system. So it's pretty cool. I've been using it. I've used it 5 times now. So it comes with this little tube of whitening and you just squeeze it. It has like this little thing. You squeeze it on your teeth, kind of get a thin layer on your teeth. And then it comes with this little mouth guard and this light, and it comes off. I just rinsed it off. It comes off so I just turned it on. You just put it on here. It's wet, so I don't know why I'm having difficulty doing this. Okay, and then you put it in your mouth. As a 20-minute timer, it'll go off after 20 minutes. And then you take your mouth guard piece and put it in this little carrying case that comes. You take this off. And you use it, I think you can use it up to 4 times per week is what I was reading. Deluxe Home Teeth Whitening System, visibly whitens teeth in simple steps, whitens like a professional. Yeah, I think you can use it every day. Doesn't say you can't. So how cool is that? So I'll post my before and after pictures on that because you are definitely definitely going to want to add that to your cart. It's super cool. Good morning, Allison. How are you? Are you guys coming Saturday night? Did you get my text or my message? Lucas will be so happy. Okay. All right. So we curled those lashes. Let's finish these eyes off with some Love waterproof mascara because we love our lashes. We're going to give them a little lift and a little bit of love with this buildable formula. It's got vitamin E oil. It's also got a lash conditioner in it, so it is going to not only put mascara on your lashes, but it's going to help build them up and make them healthier. We all need a little Love mascara. Okay. So here we go. Little Love, love. What do you think? Are you in love with the Love mascara? Okay. So we're all loved up. For our lips, let's do the VDL Tint Bar. I love this thing. It's so fun. It's kind of like a lip balm. It just gives you a little pop of color, not too much. Okay, final step. Belif VDL Setting Spray or Glowing Mist Fix. So you can use this before you put your makeup on to give yourself a little bit of extra glow. I think you guys can see that glow. Or you can use it as a setting spray after you get finished. And I'm in love with this step because my makeup is staying all day long. Even when I use a lighter foundation like a Magix Tint. That's just a tinted moisturizer. Okay, ready? Whew. So you just spritz it on. Be sure and close your eyes. Let it dry for a second. And you're good to go. Yay, it's here. So this all launched today. Be looking on my page for some before and after pictures. You guys are going to love this collab. So I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me today. Rise up, get dressed, and shine today. Accomplish your goals. Clean your house, do your laundry, take your kids to the park. Do something for yourself, and I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. Please share this video. Somebody else is going to need these tips. Thanks, guys.